An article Ken's drinking white wine is the same as a 1-hour workout session. Sounds too good to be true, right? But many people just say it anyway. The real problem isn't just bad headlines. It is that most people can't tell solid data from statistical manipulation. Nuance is a reasoning engine with Claude AI that helps you interrogate those claims instead of just trusting them. It isn't just asking LLM what he thinks. First of all, Claude attracts concrete claims from messy tests. A deterministic stat engine in Python runs checks such as missing sample sizes, relative risks, and more. All of this is wrapped in a guiderails. We use stretched JSON schemas with pythetic puzzle retry loop. So the model is forced to stay inside our structure instead of hallucinating formats. Then we can try to use our example asset. Let's start with that wine article. Of course, you can copy and paste and other articles you like. Then we press Audit the test button. So Nuance will run 3 stages. First one is attracting claims, and the second one is running deterministic checks, and the third one is generating the report. The report is ready. We can see the overall assessment generated by Claude. And then Claude will talk about 3 critical issues. Then we can see the statistical issue grouped by type. For example, the sample sizes was missing, and the missing comparator. There are 2 base rate luggage issues. We can see which claims inside the article have this kind of statistical issue. It didn't just say this is wrong. It gave a serious level and explanation of why this is statistical suspect. Given reasoning that how people work, learn, or create is more important than just giving the answer. The real goal isn't to replace your judgment. It is to train your detecting ability of the statistical issue inside an article. This is another example article that has some problems. Also, we can turn on the think before and refill mode. You can choose how many claims to refill now. It pulls out the key claims of the article. As a user, I need to make my prediction of which statistical issue that this can have. Maybe this can have some correlation issue? I don't know. Let's see if my answers are correct. Okay, we are waiting for the audit report. We can scroll up to see our answer. Of course, if the claims have no issue, we can leave it blank. Okay, this is the audit result of this article. Like the last essay, we can see the problems and the serious levels of the issues and the alternative explanations of the claim. We can see there are many problems of the article. Okay, this is the result of our prediction. Like, we only got 2 answers correct out of 8 questions. We can see what we chose and the correct answer. You can compare your correcting rate each time to see if you have any improvement. Thank you.